Taylor, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to front walkover. So a front walkover is not the most easy skill. Is not the most easiest skill, but it is possible to get it in one day. So that's what I'm going to be trying to help you guys here with. And don't expect it to just get it in one day straight away. It's going to take lots of practice. So that's just a little disclaimer for you guys. And for all those who didn't know, this is my little dog Harry. Oh, he's such a cutie pie. So let's get into the video. Before attempting any skill, you should always stretch to prevent injury. Before moving on and attempting your front walkover, you should already have a solid handstand to bridge and a split handstand. The first thing you're going to learn in your front walkover is standing up from a back bend. A way you can learn this is by starting with a bridge on the ground and using your hands to climb up the wall. Another way you can learn this is from bridging up on a higher object and trying to stand up from there. As you start finding it easier and easier, you can remove the objects and make it feel more like you're doing it off the ground. Another way you can try your bridge up is by rocking your arms back and forth and make it easier for you to stand up. Now that you can stand up from your bridge, try doing a handstand to bridge and rocking your shoulders back and forth, or however you want, to try and stand up after your bridge. If your back begins to get sore during practicing your front walkover and trying to learn it, I have this little tip to stretch out your back. You're just going to do some walking rolls, and this is going to make your back feel so much better. I thought I'd just mention it because as I was filming, my back started getting sore, and I was like, well, other people's backs are starting to get sore as well. And since we forgot, so that's just a little tip for you guys. Once you start finding that easier, try standing up from your bridge faster and faster each time, till as soon as your feet touch the ground, you can stand up from your bridge, and you're basically doing a front limber. Now try doing a split handstand and landing on one leg at a time. This is going to make it feel a lot like your front walkover and make it easier for you to do your front walkover. Once you get used to putting one foot down at a time, try bringing your feet in and standing up. If you're still finding it hard to stand up, I suggest using a higher surface and putting your hands down. So as you start finding this easier, as you can see with my panel mat, I'm flipping some of the mats to the other side, so then the surface I'm doing it off is going lower and lower each time. So now you have your front walkover. Hopefully most of you by now have gotten your front walkovers. If you haven't, don't worry, it's going to take lots of practice. I did not get mine in one day, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember, I was like 9 years old, so comment down below if I helped you to get your front walkover and what video tutorials you would like to see next. See you guys later, bye!